So
I want to go up.
reaction.
Actually, I want to go up this tilam, but seems like I cannot.
Bugger fail.
Coming here.
Chris.
Allez.
Okay. Okay. Let me give you my super plan. I will use my noise maker. I pull everyone here. This corner here. Okay. And then you go to the
Okay.
door. Wait. You see my drone or not? See this door?
Wait.
Entrance.
The drone is airborne.
Chris, can you see this entrance here?
Which entrance?
Hello. Right in front of you, there's a drone.
Okay.
Okay. Let me
Go through.
see. You should be able to come out the other side, correct? Yeah, you should be able to come out the other side. And then the door is right in front there, in front of you. Okay, so now.
Small door. There's a small door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now sharpen the noisemaker. Bing, you got noisemaker?
I got.
Stop.
Wait.
Okay, I use my noisemaker first to pull the guys away from you, Chris. Two guys, number 1 and number 2. Okay? Okay, pulling.
Hey. Go already.
Why? No, there.
Wait. Don't. Wait. Tunggu sat, perasan.
Dua, tiga.
You know what Pagar gonna do? Pagar gonna go through the stairs and come in.
Go to the stairs.
I'm inside the building.
Oh, okay.
Go through the stairs, then that's number 4.
Okay, so you don't have to worry number 4. Listen to my plan. Now I will pull number 1 and 2 here, and then you go in the building, and then once we're in the building, we will pull number 4 and number 3 away from you, so you can run to the exit at the front, and this one as well.
Oh, you want me to pull? I also got noise, so I pulled him away first. I pull number 1 away first. Okay,
oh, anyone can use first. If you want to use first here, use first, but you have to pull 2, number 1 and number 2. So you want to pull from here. You see where my drone? Can you see? Chris, can you see my drone?
Yeah.
This corner. Make the noisemaker sound here, so these 2 will come here. So 1 and 2 will turn against you. Yeah, correct. Yes. Maybe you need to go a bit front because did you upgrade your noisemaker?
Yeah.
Okay. Then once they turn, I'll let you know that you move. Okay, number 2 affected. Number 1 not affected. What?
You know what?
Okay, let me pull number 1. Okay, done. Wait. Once he starts moving, I'll let you know. Okay, Chris, you can move, ready? Okay, nice.
The drone
Okay,
is
now second phase of our plan. Let me know once you're on the other side, Number 4. No, big. What I scared is if you take out number 4 and then number 3 see, then mission fail. Because we're supposed to be undetected. Okay, let me know when you're ready, Chris.
Ready.
Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, they're coming here. Wait. Okay, Chris, can you run to the container first, the blue container outside? Go. Blue container.
Here.
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm pulling them again.
Pull behind.
Oh, wait, not safe. Okay, he's gonna come out. Because,
you
okay,
pull them
nice.
behind what?
No, this is even better. If they're gonna come out to investigate, then you can trail from the back and then escape as they are leaving. Okay, I'm gonna pull them again.
They won't come out.
See if they come
Pull them
out.
behind.
Okay. The furthest I can pull is...
Shit, like
I
they
think
go out already.
Okay, what? Okay, wait.
Cannot.
Bing, ready?
I run out that door, right? They go out one.
Kan, kita slingshot lah. Tiga yang mana? Kita kat luar.
Okay. Wait. I need to go that side. I got no vision.
I got number 1.
I only got vision number 1.
I got 4, I got 4, faster.
Where I think it'll be okay. 2. Oh, nice. 2 is going out. So the 3 and 4.
I go 4. I go 4.
3 and 4. 3 and 4. Take out 3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Bingkira. Faster.
4.
Tango down.
Nice. Okay, Chris. Now there's only one guy left. Number 1. Take out number 1. Anyone? Okay, Chris, you're good to go. Okay, nice.
Last.
Ini bagus.
Okay, pakai.
Huh? I alone leave or what? Bank, yeah.
Alright.
These criminals, but the police will not. If you need justice, the judges and politicians let you down. And you have no one else to talk to.
That's it. Now Bowman can link the location to Nidia's people.
Yeah.
Start
Power.
Wait. Stop. Nice,